Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome to my 5-minute daily yoga practice for tight hips and tight quads. Today we're going to be working on some deep hip openers because this is week 4. So we're going to start in downward dog with the left leg. So reaching the left leg up as you inhale. As you exhale, bring the knee forward and drop the foot outside the left hand. Make sure your knee lines up in a nice straight line, ankle to knee, and drop the back knee to the mat. Into your lizard. We're going to take a twist on our lizard today. So lifting up with the left arm, draw a line in the sky, bringing the hand back to your lower back and taking some deep breaths here. Dropping into the hips, but also pushing down with that front foot. Inhale, reaching all the way back. Straighten the back leg. Lift that left leg back up to the sky and come into an up dog. So we're going to come through plank, rolling over the toes into up dog, into a big back bend. And then come all the way down and bring the right forearm in front of you, pressing into the mat, and bend the left foot, left knee, placing your left hand onto the back of the foot and start to press it down. So deep quad stretch, heel pushing into the glutes here. Looking forward and breathing deep. And release. Coming to downward dog. And taking the other side. So right leg comes up as high as it will go. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, bend the knee, sweep it outside the right hand. Back knee comes down, taking our lizard into a twist, reaching the right arm up, onto the lower back, and sinking down into the hips. Always make sure that knee lines up with your ankle in a straight line. Inhale the right arm all the way back. Sweep the right leg up to the sky. Come forward to plank. Rolling over the toes into up dog. Deep inhale into the back bend. Deep exhale, come down. Taking your left forearm onto the mat in front. Bend the right knee. Taking the hand onto the foot for our half frog. And pushing that foot down as you look forward. You'll feel this deep into the quad. And exhale, release. Pushing ourselves back to a downward dog. Come up on your toes. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, come down on the knees, making sure that your knees are hip width apart. We're going to come slowly into hero pose. Bringing your feet apart and slowly begin to sit down. It's always fine to modify your hero pose. So as you come down, if that feels uncomfortable, grab something to sit on. It could be a cushion, it could be a book. And just start to relax down as much as you can, relaxing the pelvis. And just place your hands on your thighs, closing your eyes for one moment. And making a mental note of all the sensations in your body and where you feel them. Taking one more deep inhale. Deep exhale, slowly coming out, sweeping yourselves back into a crossed legs. Let's finish with our loosely crossed legs, feet drawing underneath the knees, drawing the toes towards you, pushing the heels out, and just placing your hands on your knees with a tall spine. Thank you for practicing with me during these 4 weeks, and I hope that these have really benefited you for your hips and your quads, and you can start to feel through this daily practice what a difference it makes to your body. Namaste.